So guys, Tiananmen means Gate of Heavenly Peace. And it is also famous for the 1989 protest. Yan guys, kita na natin. So the picture of Mao Zedong, the founder of People's Republic of China in 1949. And the portrait is the largest hand-painted portrait in Asia. That measures 6 by 4.5 meters and weighs up to 1.5 metric tons. Special.
Ay, ito yung sinasabi ko.
Rowie pala to. Rowie. Sa likod ang tinatawag na ano, cupping seat. Ay, sorry. Sorry, sorry.
Wow.
Easy. Okay lang.
Picture. Ni hao guys, so ayan, ganda na aming taxi ngayon, RTD.
Ay, hindi ka nagtanggal.
Ayan, high-end siya. And today we are going to Tiananmen Square. So tara, let's go!
Okay. Ano yung kinig ko?
Si Kuya Ma, crab food.
Automatic bumukas. Alright guys, dito na tayo sa subway. Yeah! Ito na kami sa Beijing subway. Sakay na kami ng subway. Check na naman. 32 na lang. Ilan po? 48. Malaki pa. Sa akin 42 na lang. Alright guys, yan yung train. So tara, let's go. Sakay na tayo. So guys, this is the Beijing subway map, and if you are going to Tiananmen from Beijing Airport, either you go Terminal 2 or Terminal 3, just ride the Capital Airport Express train, and transfer in San Yuanqiao. Then next transfer is Gomao. Then after Gomao, transfer naman tayo sa Tianmendong, and that's it. Touchdown, Tiananmen Square. So guys, this is our last day here in Beijing, and so mamimiss ko yung cold na weather and syempre yung Great Wall. So today guys, from China Exhibition Center, transfer tayo ng Wangjing Station.
The next station is Sunhe. 为了民和他人的健康安全，建议您在乘坐公共交通工具出行时佩戴好口罩。
Ayan na guys, Wangjing na tayo. Then next transfer naman natin is Dawang Loop. So tara! Yeah! Dalo, lumabas. Dawang Lo na tayo guys, yan. So transfer naman tayo ng Tianmendong. 26? Dito na tayo Tianmendong. Mga doon, Chinese.
Nahanapin ko ng ID second time.
Chinese ID daw. Sino? Ako?
Basta isa haharangin. Hindi kasi ang dami na namin eh. Pag surrender
To, great all. Alright, dito na tayo. Tian'an Mendong. Daming tao. Hi! Lamig! Doon? Sa unahan? Bawal pumasok?
Hindi ko alam kung paano tayo papasok. Hindi kita.
Hanggang dito nga lang. Hanggang dito lang. So ayan guys, sad dahil di kami makapasok. Tanaw-tanaw lang tayo. Since we need an appointment before we can enter Tiananmen Square. So guys, this is the step-by-step process before we can enter the Tiananmen Square. So ayan, so sana nalaman namin agad. Sayang. Just lalagay mo. Tumawid tayo dito sa kabila. Kasi hindi makapunta doon. Una na ako doon. Hindi makapunta doon, hindi makapunta, kailangan appointment. Higpit nila. Ayan, appointment. Pero dito sa kabilang side kita naman. So kahit dito na tayo makapagpa-picture. Ayan. Kita na natin ang Emperor ng China. Daming tao. Zoom natin. So guys, Tiananmen means Gate of Heavenly Peace. And it is also famous for the 1989 protest. So tara, lapit tayo para mas makita natin ang maganda. Yan guys, kita na natin. So the picture of Mao Zedong, the founder of People's Republic of China in 1949. And the portrait is the largest hand-painted portrait in Asia. That measures 6 by 4.5 meters and weighs up to 1.5 metric tons. And it is replaced annually before Chinese National Day on October 1. Yan, dito kami sa malayo. Yan guys, grabe, sobrang daming tao ngayon. So kaya siguro pagpunta or papasok dito is by schedule na siya. Dahil ganyang karami. Alright guys, time check, 5:30 PM. So ayan, binuksan na nila yung lights ng Tiananmen. Ayan, sobrang ganda pag gabi. Pag madilim, pagbukas na yung ilaw. And that's it for today guys. Thank you for watching. Share. 再见。
过车了，注意安全！过车了，注意安全！过车了，注意安全！过车了，注意安全！过车了，注意安全！